Close your eyes, sit quietly for a few seconds, and focus on smooth breathing. Notice that you are in control. You can regulate yourself to breathe slowly, smoothly, and deeply. Good. You are doing very well. Now make fists with both your hands and feel the tension building in your lower arms, hands, and fingers. Focus on that tension and silently describe the uncomfortable pulling sensations to yourself. That's what happens when you are angry. Okay, hold the tension. Now, release the tension and let your hands and arms relax. Focus on the warm, heavy, relaxed feelings in your hands and notice the contrast with the tension. Just focus for a while on your relaxed hands and continue to breathe slowly, smoothly, and deeply. Now, bend your arms and press both of your elbows firmly into your sides. While pressing your elbows inward, also flex your arm muscles. Notice the tension building up throughout your arms, shoulders, and back. Hold that tension. Okay, now release your arms and let them fall heavily to your sides. Focus on that heavy, warm, and relaxed feeling in your arms and continue to breathe slowly, smoothly, and deeply. Moving to your lower legs, flex your feet by trying to point your toes toward your nose. Notice the tension spreading through your feet, ankles, and calves. Hold the tension. Okay, now release the tension in your lower legs and focus on your sense of comfort as your lower legs become more relaxed. Continue to breathe slowly, smoothly, and deeply. You are doing very well. Next, build tension in your upper legs by pressing both your knees together and lifting your legs off the bed or chair. Focus on the tension in your thighs and the pulling sensations in your hips. Describe those uncomfortable feelings to yourself. Now release the tension and let your legs fall slowly and heavily onto the bed or chair. Focus on letting go of all the tension in your legs, arms, and shoulders. Just let go. Breathe slowly, smoothly, and deeply. Next, pull your stomach in toward your spine. Notice the tension in your stomach. Now, voluntarily let your stomach relax. Breathe slowly, smoothly, and deeply, and focus on the relaxation you can produce in your stomach, in your legs, and in your arms and shoulders. Now take in a very deep breath and hold it. Notice the tension in your expanded chest. Now slowly let the air out and feel the tension gradually disappear. Notice that you can voluntarily relax your body, and you can breathe slowly, rhythmically, and deeply. And with each breath that you take, you can allow yourself to relax even more. Focus on relaxing and just letting go of all of your tension. Now imagine that your shoulders are on strings and are being pulled up towards your ears. Feel the tension building in your shoulders, your upper back, and neck. Hold that tension. Okay, now just let the tension go. Allow your shoulders to droop down. Let them droop down as far as they can go. Notice the difference between the feelings of tension and relaxation. Pull your chin down and try to touch your chest with it. Notice the pulling and tension in the back of your neck. Now relax. Let go of the tension in your neck. Focus on letting your neck muscles relax. Let your arms and legs relax. Breathe slowly, rhythmically, and deeply. Now clench your teeth together and focus on the tension in your jaw. Feel the tight pulling sensation. Okay, release. Allow your mouth to drop open and relax all of the muscles around your face and jaw. Very good. Build up the tension in your forehead by forcing yourself to frown. Try to pull your eyebrows toward each other. Focus on the tension in your forehead. Now release. Smooth out all of the wrinkles and let your forehead relax. At this point, allow your whole body to feel relaxed and heavy. Breathe deeply and rhythmically, and voluntarily relax your arms, legs, stomach, shoulder, and facial muscles. You are in control. Every time you breathe out, silently say the word "relax" to yourself. And imagine that you are breathing out all of the tension in your body. Breathe in and out deeply 5 times. Say the word "relax" to yourself and voluntarily let all of the tension disappear. Just let go and relax. I'm going to stop talking for a while and allow you to enjoy the pleasant, relaxing feelings you can let yourself have.